Hello, everyone. It's Mimi again from Mimi's Worms. And today I just wanted to show you where we are at. So, as you know, we had put up about 4,500 of these bus pans on these types of racks. And now we have moved to these beds. They're 4x8. I want to show y'all what they are coming along and looking like. Okay, here we've taken down the old racks, and Blake is starting to put down the foundation of the bottom of the bins. And we're using some 2x4s here, and he'll do some bracing underneath there. And then we'll go from there to see how far this goes. And now here you can see he's got the sides up, or the 2x4s for the sides. He's got the ends on. He's got the bottom put in. And we are using severe weather resistant picket boards that you would use for fencing. And so it's almost finished. And I'll show you the finished here in just a second. And here is the finished bed. It's 4 foot by 8 foot. And it's all ready to have worms put in. We've got the overhead water that'll be automated. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would, like, share, and subscribe. It helps with our algorithm. And if you don't know Mimi or haven't bought worms from Mimi, head over to mimisworms.com and get you some red wigglers. And we will talk to you again soon.